attended the Ohio State Fair for years with my family. And each year we would look at the baked goods and my family would say, you know what? You could win a ribbon here at the fair. I went ahead and I entered. I won a blue ribbon and I was hooked.
I brought 6 pies. I brought an apple pie, cherry. I brought one I never made before. It's a pineapple coconut.
I'm from Akron, Ohio, and I made an apple pie. My mom actually helped me. It's a family recipe.
My secret recipes are New York Times. There's nothing really original about this. I just follow the recipe and see how it goes.
Good afternoon, everybody. I want to welcome you to the Ohio State Fair 2018 pie competition. This is my 5th year judging pies, and it's my favorite. For everybody that judges here at the fair, the pies are a favorite.
There are 65 pies being entered this year. I'll have to be sure to take itty bitty bites. It's not about eating a whole slice. I'll have to keep reminding myself that you never get to a point of, it's a slice of pie, it's a slice of pie. It's actually, there's always that slice where you go, wow, it could be the 65th slice.
We're going to judge them on appearance, on flavor, and on texture. Well, the first thing we're going to look at when we're judging the pies is we're going to look at the overall appearance. We're going to look to see if the crust is evenly browned. We're going to slice it, and after we slice it, we're going to lift it up. We're going to pop that pie slice over and take a look at that bottom crust, because that bottom crust is very important. It has to still be flaky. So we're going to look for it to be evenly browned and still tender and flaky. The next thing we're going to look at is how the filling sets up. So let's go ahead and cut it. Here, I can tell you right now that's a really moist filling. Flour to thicken it. Did it set up nicely? We're gonna, if it's a fruit pie, we're gonna look and see if the fruit pieces are uniform in size, if they're tender, and then we're gonna look at the top crust, or if there's a crumb topping, we're gonna look at that too. You know, I don't know if you noticed what we do, but one of the first things we do, and this is what you can do when you're a pie judge, is you could pick up the pie, and we're gonna look at that crust, and first of all, see if it's tender or not. We're gonna check the flavor. She's really nailed it. You did a great job on that.
This is my first year of judging pies. What I'm most excited about is the creativity to see what these pie entrants are.
Our cute little pineapples. Our cute little pineapples.
They're doing it right now, actually. It's the pie that I never made before that I've actually not even tasted before. It sounds good.
Even the name, makes you think, I'm liking it.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great. It's got a good crust, I know that.
Everything is evenly baked so we can go anywhere.
What did they pull together? What did they come up with? Was it creativity? Was it your standard pie? How did they make them look to make them appealing? So that part really excites me to see how they make them appealing.
Wonderful, unique pineapple trim around the crust edge. I'm not sure where they found that, but I thought that was a very nice touch for the appearance.
The more entries, the more fun it is, because to me, when there's a big category, it's really exciting if you can win. If there's 14 pies that are apple and yours places, that's really exciting that it did that well amongst that kind of competition.
We're going to look at the 3rd place, which was the vacation pie. We really take the time to make sure that we take our time and look at what we're doing for the taste, the texture, the flavor, all the elements of it, because it means a lot to people. I know if I was baking it, I would want to know somebody's on the other end taking their time.
Crumb top pies judging has taken place, and I'll tell you, the competition was tough over here today. We'll judge a berry pie. It might be a berry pie, but it'll be a berry pie with a crumb topping, which is one division. It might be a pecan pie or a pumpkin pie. Those are the kinds of pies that we put in different classes. And then we'll judge them against themselves. But the really cool one is at the very end, and that's the coveted best of show. At the very end of the competition, we'll take the first place pies in each division and we'll judge to see which pie is the best pie out of all of them.
I have down as a last just because, yeah, it seemed a little underdone on the bottom.
Okay, I see what you're saying. I agree with what you all have said. We all concurred that the number one pie was indeed the number one pie. And it goes to, are you ready? Randy Cutshow with a berry two-crust pie. Well, let's all give a great round of applause for Randy. The mixture of berries was absolutely magnificent. It had a good balance of sweetness, and the crust was perfect.
It's very satisfying. You feel like you did a really great job, and that at least from today until next year, I have the best apple pie.
We want that crust to bubble. We want it to bring that filling to a boil so it thickens.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Don't give up.
I did not win, but it was an awesome experience because she gave me a lot of tips on how to make it thicker so it's not a thin filling. So that'll be good for next time.
When you hear the saying, easiest pie, I always kind of like, ugh, I cringe. Nothing is easy in pie. These people have years and years of practice and experience that they put into it. So I appreciated that today to be reminded again, it's not as easy as pie.